Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the account or email you'll use to hold the card. This prevents losing balance. Once done, find the card code in your email, SMS, app notification, or printed receipt and copy it exactly. Make sure to check expiration date, regional restrictions, and currency so you don't attempt an invalid redemption. If a platform requires verification, follow its prompts now. This first step secures the funds and maps the card to your user identity. Next, go to the retailer or app's gift card or payment section and paste the code. You must match dashes and capitalization. After it's applied, choose whether to use the card for full checkout or split payment with another method, because many systems require you to select payment order. Once a purchase completes, check your updated balance in account settings or receipts. If you plan recurring purchases, save the card to your wallet for faster checkout and to prevent accidental double spending. To finish, record the receipt and a screenshot of the new balance so you have evidence if something goes wrong. If you need to transfer or gift balance, follow the retailer's specific process now. Some allow account-to-account transfer while others do not. If a redemption fails, contact customer support with the full code, purchase date, and any transaction ID. This speeds resolution. One tip: if support can't find your funds, request escalation and keep polite but persistent follow-up until refunded or reissued.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.